What if I told you that giving her space could be the most powerful move you'll ever make in your relationship? Sounds counterintuitive, right? But here's the surprising truth. The more you pull back, the closer she'll want to get. Stick around because I'm about to reveal why giving her space isn't just smart, it's essential. In relationships, it's natural to want to spend as much time as possible with the person you care about. But here's the catch. Sometimes, too much closeness can suffocate the connection. Today, we'll explore the psychology behind giving her space and how it actually makes her miss and appreciate you more. Whether you're dating, in a long-term relationship, or even married, understanding this dynamic can transform how you approach intimacy and connection. Number 1. The science of space. First, let's talk about the science. Relationships thrive on a balance of closeness and individuality. When someone feels crowded or overwhelmed, their brain triggers a need for autonomy. It's not personal, it's psychological. By giving her space, you allow her brain to shift from feeling smothered to appreciating your presence again. It's all about resetting emotional equilibrium. Think of it like your favorite song. If you hear it constantly, you might start to tune it out, but when you give it a break, suddenly it feels fresh and exciting again. Number 2. The emotional roller coaster. Now, here's where things get interesting. When you give her space, you're allowing her emotions to flow naturally. Relationships can sometimes feel like a roller coaster, and that's okay. If you constantly chase her, she may feel overwhelmed, but when you step back, you give her time to reflect and miss you. That space creates anticipation and desire. I once had a friend who texted his girlfriend every hour to check in. She started feeling drained and eventually pulled away. When he finally gave her some room, she reached out and their relationship became healthier. Number 3. The power of absence. Have you heard the saying, absence makes the heart grow fonder? There's truth to it. When you're not constantly present, she has the chance to miss you and remember what makes you special. This isn't about playing games, it's about respecting her need for independence. While giving space, focus on self-improvement, hit the gym, pick up a hobby, or spend time with friends. This not only keeps you busy, but also makes you more attractive. Number 4. Building trust through space. Giving her space is a way to show that you trust her and value her independence. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. When you're not constantly hovering, you're sending a clear message. I believe in you and I believe in us. Imagine a garden. You plant the seeds, water them, and give them sunlight. But if you keep digging up the soil to check if the roots are growing, you'll stunt their growth. Relationships work the same way. Trust gives them the room they need to flourish. Number 5. The reconnection effect. When you give her space, you create the perfect environment for meaningful reconnection. After some time apart, conversations feel deeper, shared moments feel more special, and the bond becomes stronger. This reconnection effect isn't just emotional, it's psychological. I know a couple who made it a point to have one weekend a month where they did their own thing. Afterward, they'd always feel more connected and appreciative of each other. Space can truly make the heart grow fonder. Number 6. The balance between space and presence. While giving space is powerful, balance is key. Too much space can create distance, and too little can cause friction. The goal is to find the sweet spot that works for both of you. Pay attention to her cues. Does she seem happier and more engaged after some alone time? That's a good sign you're on the right track. Regularly check in with each other about how the balance feels. Open communication ensures neither of you feels neglected or overwhelmed. Number 7. The art of patience. Patience is a virtue, especially when giving her space. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but the key is to trust the process. Impatience can lead to overstepping boundaries, which defeats the purpose. Remember, meaningful connections take time to develop and flourish. Think of it like cooking a gourmet meal. Rushing through it won't yield the best results. Take your time and you'll be rewarded with something truly special. Number 8. How to recognize when she needs space. One of the most important skills in a relationship is recognizing when your partner needs space. Pay attention to her cues. Does she seem distant, stressed, or less engaged? Instead of taking it personally, ask her if she needs time to herself. This shows maturity and emotional intelligence. A simple phrase like, "I notice you seem a bit overwhelmed. Would you like some alone time?" can work wonders. Number 9. Space as a way to grow together. Giving space isn't just about separation, it's about growth. When you both take time to focus on your individual goals and interests, you bring fresh energy into the relationship. This shared growth strengthens your bond and makes your time together more enriching. A friend of mine and his partner started individual projects. He took up woodworking and she learned photography. Sharing their progress became a source of excitement and deepened their connection. Number 10. Common mistakes to avoid when giving space. While giving space is crucial, it's easy to make mistakes. Avoid completely cutting off communication or overthinking the situation. The goal is balance. Be available without being overbearing and distant without being neglectful. Send a thoughtful message occasionally to let her know you care, but don't demand immediate responses. Respect her time. Number 11. The long-term benefits of space. In the long run, mastering the art of giving space builds a foundation of trust and respect that lasts a lifetime. It shows that you value her individuality, which leads to a deeper and more fulfilling partnership. Remember, a strong relationship is built on two strong individuals. Many couples who've been together for decades credit their success to respecting each other's need for space and independence. Number 12. Why space leads to independence and confidence. Here's something you might not realize. Giving her space not only benefits the relationship, but also helps her grow as an individual. When she has time to focus on her passions and priorities, it fosters independence and confidence. This, in turn, makes her feel more fulfilled, and a fulfilled partner is a happy partner. Celebrate her achievements and interests during this time apart. Showing support without intrusion strengthens your connection. So, there you have it. The hidden power of giving her space. We've explored the science, the emotional roller coaster, the power of absence, and the incredible benefits this simple yet profound act can have on your relationship. It's not about pulling away to create distance. It's about stepping back to let the connection breathe and grow stronger. Here's your challenge. Try giving her space and observe how your relationship transforms. You might be amazed by how much closer it brings you. And remember, this isn't about playing hard to get. It's about creating a foundation of trust, respect, and mutual growth. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and practical tips to build stronger, healthier relationships. And hey, drop a comment below. What's your experience with giving space in a relationship? I'd love to hear your stories and thoughts. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay confident and stay connected. Until next time.